Neecee. Hi guys, and welcome to Neecee Lexy. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create an Instagram for business. As the title mentioned in the description below, as always, this is how to create an Instagram for business. This is my part 2 series for Instagram mini series edition. And today you will be learning some of the basic Instagram for business account, create an account, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own and do it yourself type of tutorials, and how to drive traffic to your website and increase sales and get audience insights with Instagram. Okay, so this is, by the way, this is a beginner's tutorial guidelines with a step-by-step on how to create your business account so that you can start making money. You want to have an account that gives you more features and call to actions such as booking, location, email, contact, act, and Instagram for business gives you these tools, and it has more tools and insight in which you'll be able to just kind of get it at a glance. And that's why I highly recommend switching over, especially if you're an influencer, you're a content creator. You don't want to have just the basic Instagram account. You want to have the business account or the creator content one, because it offers you more features within. So step one, let's dive into it. In order to convert your personal Instagram account to your business account, you will need to create a Facebook page. It is important to have it moving forward with this tutorial. Plus, take 5 minutes to create your business page. If you do not have a Facebook account already, I will recommend you to pause this video so that you can go create it and then come back here. And for those who already have the business page ready for Facebook, fantastic, let's get it started. So once you have your Facebook page done, you wanted to click on the three bars icon on the very right top hand corner, go down into the settings and then click on the button. In this settings menu, you will see a different recommendation or notifications. Okay, I hope you're following along. So in this notification, you will see adjustment for privacy, settings, and if you keep scrolling down, you will see also payments, ads, and then you will see account. You wanted to click on the account. So once you click on the account, it's gonna prompt you on there's an arrow facing on the right hand side with the V or greater than sign or equal than, whatever, math, yeah, that sign. So if you click on it, and then it was gonna bring you for those who are more visual, and here is the breakdown on how we are going to be editing this. If you keep following along here, so once you want to click on account, the arrow is going to face to the right, so it's going to bring you into a newer tab, and in that tab it's going to ask you, if you keep scrolling down, you will see your activities, save language, likes in account, and keep going all the way down, then you will see switch to professional account. So once you click the professional account, it's going to prompt you into a newer page, and in that page, which is going to ask you to create which options you want. You want a creator options or business options. You will need to select the following option types of your business account or creator account. I'll break it down what each option has to offer. So for the creator option, this is for, let's say, if you're an author, singer, content creator, YouTuber, influencer, or public figure, you'll select this option. Once your business model or brand falls under this category, just go ahead with it. For the business option one, this suits for individuals who have, let's say, retailer, e-commerce, local business shops, brands, organization, schools, or provide products or services. So you would click the business one. If you're an influencer with a product service, I highly recommend you to go with the business option one. And especially if you have some business documentation papers already being registered, then that option is really good for you because it gives you more advanced features than just the regular creative one. What are some of the benefits of having Instagram for business? So it provides you with access to analytics, launching a sponsor post or promotional ad. Plus, you can sell straight from Instagram page. Moreover, your ability to add call to action such as contact us now, email us, or things like that. That's something you can do it in a personal page. So in the Instagram for business, there's more features and more things that you could do with it. For example, as you can see in this image here, you're able to make a phone calls, you're able to contact our business directly, you're able to see their locations, and these are just some of the things that Instagram for business offer you. you can also undo this process at any time. You can switch it back and forth. You can always return to your personal account at any time. This is not like just a permanent decision where you are stuck with having this type of Instagram account. You can always go back and forth. Um, studies have also shown that in 2007, I believe, a study that was done, they were in millenniums, there were 89% of them, and 82% were Generation X, and 65% were baby boomers that were making the population within the Instagram. So that just goes to show that there's a lot of people within this platform. So for you able to maximize and have the opportunity to market to the right people, especially once you have the analytic for Instagram for business, you can actually see how many people that come to your page, whether the age group, where they're coming from, the locations, as well as some of the interests, so that you'll be able to create a more conveying messages to kind of get their attention. Is remember, I asked you to have your Facebook for business ready. So in this step, we are going to connect your business page with the new Instagram business account. It is an important step because it allows you to share your Instagram posts, Instagram stories, as well as you can also run some sponsor ads with the Facebook Ads Manager. That's how you actually create. You can actually now you can create a direct what's it called, ads from your Instagram account. But also, if you want to be able to go in the back behind the scene to automate and create and kind of add some tailored strategy behind your ads, I would highly recommend have it on Facebook Ads Manager. And that's why you need to have a business Facebook page in order to connect the two together. And then you'll be able to select a category. Facebook is going to ask you to select a category that best suits you for your business. So if it's a service product, this is a movie, whatever it is, you will select the one that suits you. And then you can also add some content information that is relevant, such as your location, where you're located, if you want people to visit your location, your website, phone number, and things like that, and some other merchants. You can also, for example, if you're an online retailer, you can create a product catalog, so that way you'll be able to connect that product catalog with Instagram, and you can sell merchant directly from Instagram. So people, as I don't know if you guys have noticed lately that Instagram have updated their user experience platform, the UX and the UI. So now people actually do have a shopping tab that is strictly just for shopping, where they can be able to purchase directly from the platform, and they can also add some things to their wish card. Okay, since because of the whole COVID stuff, that Instagram has taken advantage of the fact that a lot of people are not online shopping from online, they actually created a whole separate tab just for shopping, where you can see videos of new clothes merchant. You can also see product shopping that people can just add and drag and drop and add to their cart with. So this is something that if you're a retailer or e-commerce, your product would actually have a chance to be there by sharing a spot with other brands. So that's why it's important for you to also have that Instagram for business. And then you can also go on behind the scene, as you can see here. This is an example of some of the analytic, where you can actually see within your Instagram what's happening behind the scene of how in a week to week, how many people actually been on the ad and how many people seen it, what are the reach like and your impressions. And if you want to improve it with either running an ad or running just knowing the organic one, and then even if you're running a Facebook and Instagram ad, you can be able to tell what was the cost per click and the impression that you reach and how many people you have reached and their age group and everything. So you have a very clear scope of what's happening. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful and useful. This was a quick small tutorial basically on how to create an Instagram for business, and you guys can learn more digital marketing hacks, tips, and tricks from my previous podcasts and blog posts that I have always posted and updated you guys every Sunday. You can head over to neeceelexy.com/elearning. I also interview entrepreneurs from around the world that you will be able to find it at www.neeceelexy.com/blog. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, would love for us to promote your brand, or you would love for us to collaborate and actually interview you in our next segment, feel free to reach out to us. And you can go to our website www.neeceelexy.com and email us, and one of our admin will get back to you and we can set up an interview. Until then, I hope you guys learned something new. As always, I come here every Thursdays and Sunday, drop you guys with some nice, lovely content that is educational and meaningful. And for those who already have their Instagram for business, let us know in the comment below how is that going with you, as well as with the new updated UX and user experience with the Instagram platform. Tell us how you like it. Tell us if you like it or dislike it, and I'll catch you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep the engagement going. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.